Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto here, and I am here filming my plan with me for February. So I had a totally different direction with this video at first, but I passed by like some pastry shop with macaroons, and then I decided I'm gonna go with it. So I actually designed these stickers in a live stream with my patrons. So I will add some footage to the end of this because this plan with me is actually super short. After I edited it, it was only like 3 minutes. So I will add some footage of me designing these stickers with my patrons in a little bit. I only did a few things for this particular setup, and then I'm going to work a little bit more on that sticker kit. But to be honest, I don't need a lot of monthly pages at this point. I'm doing really well when it comes to my habits. I'm doing really well when it comes to health and wellness. And because I have so many things in my life in their own spaces, in their own notebooks, I don't really feel the need to have like these big, giant, like monthly setups. Pretty much just having a place to put events, to put just like a general task list is enough for me. I did decide to add in a page every month for whatever home project that I'm doing. So I was going to put this here, then I decided it kind of needed a bigger space because I wanted to sketch out my office upgrade. And so then I stacked these little macaroons. They're very cute. So basically this page is a continuation of my home improvements tracker from my annual setup, but this is a little bit, it gets more in the nuances of this particular project. So in my office, I am planning on putting in built-ins. This was something that I was going to do over the break, but honestly, I just didn't really have the money to do it because of the holidays, all that kind of stuff. So I am putting in a supplies needed and cost section. There's also going to be a section under that for measurements and things like that. I just didn't add it. And then over on the right-hand side is a sketch of what I want it to look like. For example, where my Cricut machines and silhouette machines are going, I want them on like roller tables so that I can like roll them out. So that way it's not super, like the whole built-in isn't super far from the wall, but there doesn't need to be enough space behind the Cricut machine for it to run the stickers. So a lot of those things I need to sketch out and try to figure out how I need to manage that. So anyways, that's my February setup, and I'm going to go ahead and include some footage for me designing some of these stickers. If you are interested in seeing more, I do these live streams with my patrons quite a few times a month. So definitely check me out over on Patreon. You get to have a say in the types of stickers that I make, including types of sticker kits and everything like that. So if you want a say, if you want to see how I design stickers, all that kind of stuff, I will leave the link to my Patreon down below. And with that said, here is some designing, and I will leave you with some music. Thank you so much for joining me for my February plan with me, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.